Hello. Allen keys are everywhere, and what can be a problem is when you find a bolt that you want to turn with your Allen key, it can be quite difficult to get enough leverage on your Allen key to turn it. It can kind of hurt your hand as well when you try and make to turn with your Allen key. But what I've discovered is, and I bought this online, is this little auxiliary Allen key handle, and it suits all different sizes of Allen key, and you just turn that around until you find the right slot there for your Allen key. Lock it away, and suddenly you've got a nice handle to use with your Allen key. So here I'm looking at my my mountain bike, and so there's just a little Allen key bolt up the top there that I want to turn. So I push in my Allen key, and with a bit of strength, a bit of force there, I can spin around the bolt without hurting my hand, and do it quite easily. It's nice leverage, and I've got a nice comfortable handle to hold, so I can turn it, and then when I want to get it nice and tight, the Allen key bolt nice and tight, I can turn it around and get it nice and tight without hurting my hand. So there we go. I bought that online. It was only a few dollars on AliExpress, but you probably find it with other retailers as well. Yeah, so I'd highly recommend, if you ever use an Allen key, to get one of these auxiliary Allen key holders or Allen key handles. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.